want Windows 11 to automatically switch between light and dark mode based on sunrise and sunset? In this video, I'll show you how to enable auto dark mode in Windows 11 using a free app. No complicated settings required. First, we need to download Auto Dark Mode, a free and open source tool that automates theme switching in Windows 11. Go to the Auto Dark Mode GitHub page. Scroll down and click on Auto Dark Mode latest release. Download the latest .exe installer file. You can also download the app from the Microsoft Store. Just open the store and search for Auto Dark Mode. Once it's downloaded, double-click the installer. Click Next, accept the license agreement, and finish the installation. Then launch the app. If it fails, restart your computer. Here's the fun part. In the Auto Dark Mode app, enable auto theme switching. Toggle this on. You can choose set custom times, for example, light mode at 6 a.m. and dark mode at 6 p.m. Or you can choose from sunset to sunrise if you wanted to follow your location's daylight hours automatically. There are a number of settings here. You can select the ones you want. In the Switch Modes tab, you'll find a few extra customization options. You can turn on Don't Switch while playing video games, which is especially helpful for users with lower-end computers since switching modes can consume significant system resources. For battery-powered devices, there's an option to enable dark mode when the device is unplugged, a handy way to extend your battery life. Finally, you can assign custom hotkeys to quickly toggle any enabled switches. In the Apps tab, you can control how specific apps respond to theme switching. You have the flexibility key to configure settings for individual apps or apply them to the entire system. In the Personalization tab, you can set up a custom wallpaper switch or a theme switch. For either option, you can choose different wallpapers or themes to match Windows 11's light and dark modes. And that's it. You've just set up Auto Dark Mode in Windows 11. Now, your PC will look great day or night without you having to think about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Windows tips, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover more customization tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.